Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Today, we're going to be checking out the Jashen M16 Floor Cleaner. We're going to be unboxing it, we're going to be assembling it, and if you have any questions, leave them below. But before we unbox this bad boy, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed. Let's get into the box. We've got the instructions there. We have like the mop base. The mop base here. Awesome. Got the reservoir. Got the handle pieces. So you got a hose. I mean, like this definitely feels like a mop for sure. I would say definitely that feels like a pretty sturdy mop. Does it come off? I can't tell. Let's see. What is this? It's got like a release? No, it's not a release. It's like a cleaning thing? I don't know. I can't figure that out. Yeah, I think that's for cleaning. The mop head, does it come off? The mop head does come off. Okay. So the mop head can come out. It looks like it has only one way that it can actually like go. So take that and you put the little okay, so yeah, there's like a little tooth right here, and that tooth, I don't know if you can see that well enough. So this tooth right here, when you take it out, so that button pulls it out, then you got to make sure that the tooth lines up to go back in. So that's in, and then pretty simply you can just push that button and it comes out. So pretty easy back in. Okay, so that's the head there. This is the middle bit where the reservoir goes, and it comes with a little screw right here. It's got you can see it's got a Phillips / flathead right here. Pull that out, and you find which end this fits with properly. There are some like pins inside of here, and they connect over on this side over here. So just take that, and you really want to push them, really want to get them together, because you have to line up. There's a little screw hole in the back there that you have to make sure that that's lined up. Once it's lined up, then you can just take your screw, put it through there. I mean, we're not going to fully tighten all of this right now because we're just doing an unboxing, but I mean, we'll put this thing together. And that bit there slides in there, and it's actually got a little clip as well. So there's a clip here so that you can actually take this thing apart again. It seems it's pretty solid on there though. Like, it doesn't look like it wants to move too much. There's a little bit of movement in between the head and the arm. Cool. That's our reservoir, and that goes with our little like fill cup here. So we got a little fill cup that comes with it. There's our handle attachment. I'll show you this before we actually connect it. So it's got your power button, and it looks like a squirt button as well. So you get your power there to turn it on, and it's, I don't know if you can hear it, kind of has a little click to it. And then there's the squirt for squirting your cleaning solution. Okay, so we'll just bring that over here. And plug that in. Awesome. Okay, so that's in as well. And this does, if you flip it over, all of these parts actually can come apart again. So there's a button here to remove the head again. There's the screw for the middle, and then you've got the button at the bottom as well. If you wanted to take it apart just for, I guess, storage or something. So yeah, that's all together now. Pretty easy assembly. So yeah, we've got, there's your vacuum, you've got your reservoir, you got your cup. This attaches, okay, this doesn't actually need screws, I don't think. It just attaches here. Does it click? Let's see. Let's see here. We'll move this just off to the side here. Let's see, I don't want to break anything, so give me a second. We'll figure this out. Okay. That connects there, that connects there. Yeah, I think I just really have to push it. You have to push it on. Yeah, there we go, okay. Nothing broke, nothing broke. You did hear a loud, like, kind of snap sound though. That was just, I don't think this piece is meant to come off again. So that's solid on there. This, I'm guessing, is like your water drainage. So yeah, you'd connect this over here. I can't tell which side. I think they're the same size. Yeah, both sides are the same size, so it doesn't really matter. You just have to connect one of these here, and that's like your drainage. So if you wanted to get rid of the dirty water, you'd push this button and empty this into like a cup or some sort of a jar or something, just to get rid of it, because this is going to be full of like dirty water. My understanding is that this actually cleans the mop head. So when you put the mop in this, it cleans it, it stores the water up, and then you can empty it out into some sort of reservoir. So that's connected. You want to make sure it's like really on there, because you don't want to have like any leaks or anything like that. So that's on there. Cool, awesome. That's really everything put together. You've got your manual here, which we can go through that as well. You get a little like thank you for purchasing note here. That's pretty cool as well. The warranty book just kind of, it walks you through all the steps, as well as like how to fill your tank, your clean water tank. So that's what this is called. That's a clean water tank. So the clean water tank goes right in there, just like that. It snaps in, and you can just quickly pull it out too. That's really easy to get in there. Awesome. So overall, I'll just set this up a little bit nicer. There you are. That is the Jashen M16 Floor Cleaner. Oh, it actually articulates. So this all articulates here. So it articulates. The whole thing kind of can move around. That's neat. So if I turn this like kind of sideways like this, and I just show you. So this would just sort of slide in there like that, and then you're good to go. So there you have it, folks. That is everything that you get inside of the Jashen M16 Floor Cleaner, available now through HITFAR, hitfar.com. Available now.